Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily multiply a model in Ultimaker Cura. This feature is especially useful when you need to multiply copies of the same design for 3D printing. Let's get started. So first open Ultimaker Cura and import your model. You can drag and drop the file directly into the workspace or use the open file option. Once your model is loaded, click on it to select it. You'll notice it's become highlighted indicating it's ready for editing. Let's reposition this model. Okay, next right click on the model and you'll see the menu from here. Uh, Select the multiply selected model option and a pop-up will appear asking how many copies you want. Enter the number of copies you need in the input box. For example, let's make 5 copies. Click OK and Cura will automatically arrange the copies in workspace. Cura tries to arrange the model for the best fit, but you can adjust their position manually if needed. Simply click on and drag the model to rearrange them. Okay, like this. Now go ahead the slice the model by clicking on slice button. Cura will generate the G code file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more 3D printing tips. Thank you so much for watching. Happy printing.